Python is a powerful and versatile programming language that's perfect for beginners. It's known for its readability and simplicity, which makes it an excellent choice for those just starting their coding journey. So, let's dive right in. First, let's talk about how to write your very first line of Python code. Open your favorite code editor or an online Python interpreter and type this. Print, hello world. When you run this code, you'll see the words hello world displayed on the screen. This simple command is a classic first step in programming, and it shows you how to output text. Now, let's move on to variables. Think of variables as containers that hold data. In Python, you can create a variable by simply assigning a value to it. For example, if we write name types Alice, we're creating a variable called name that stores the string Alice. You can use variables to store all kinds of data, from numbers to text, and even more complex data types. Speaking of data types, Python has several built-in types you should know about. The most common ones are integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Integers are whole numbers like 5 or 3. Floats are numbers with decimal points, such as 3, 14, or 0, 1. Strings are sequences of characters, like hello or Python. Lastly, booleans represent truth values, either true or false. Understanding these data types is crucial because they determine what kind of operations you can perform. Now, let's do some simple calculations. Python can handle arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. For instance, if you write sum plus 5 plus 3, you're adding two numbers together and storing the result in a variable called sum. You can also perform more complex calculations, like result writes 10, 2, 3, 4 so. Python follows the order of operations, so you can trust it to calculate correctly. As you practice coding, don't hesitate to experiment. Try changing the values of your variables or combine different data types. For example, you can concatenate strings by using the plus operator like this. Greeting. Hello, work plus name. This will create a new string that says hello Alice. Remember, the key to becoming proficient in Python is practice. Write code every day, even if it's just a few lines. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become with the syntax and concepts. Before we wrap up, let's recap what we've learned. We started with writing our first line of code using print, then moved on to understanding variables and how to store data. We explored different data types, including integers, floats, strings, and booleans. Finally, we practiced some basic arithmetic operations. Keep these concepts in mind as you continue your Python journey. Coding can be challenging at times, but it's also incredibly rewarding. So, grab your keyboard and start experimenting. Happy coding!